Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Amitabh, a DevOps engineer and AWS community builder in a containers category. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a S3 event notification, like if someone uploaded the files and deleted the content inside your S3 bucket and you want to receive a email notification and you want to push the same message to the SQS queue or trigger a Lambda function. So you can perform this events notification, whatever happened inside your S3 bucket. So without any delay, let's get started. So for that, we will create one bucket for demo. So let's create a demo in account regional namespace. So it can be S3 event notification demo. So I will create this bucket, and once this bucket is created, we will create a SNS topic and subscription. So whatever the content and the action is going to perform inside this bucket, we want to receive a email notification. Suppose I have uploaded the content inside this bucket and want to notify the teams that is have the access of this bucket, so they have subscribed to the SNS topic, so they will receive a email notification whenever the content has modified, uploaded, or deleted, so that they are aware of the situation, what is happening inside our S3 bucket. And even you can create a Lambda function to trigger on a S3 event. And even you have the SQS message, you can provide this message to the SQS and perform another action. Suppose you have uploaded the image and want to create a thumbnail from another service, so you can provide that message to the SQS and SQS will trigger that function. So accordingly, you can create and use it the S3 event notification. For now, we will use S3 event notification for the SNS. So we will receive a email notification whatever the action has happened inside our S3 bucket. So now we will create a SNS topic that is going to send a message to the email subscription. So we can write like demo S3 topic, and next it will ask us to select the FIFO or the standard. We will use the standard, and accordingly we will create the topic. We need to modify the access policy to provide the SNA publish action to the S3 service so that they can publish a event notification through the SNS, so that the whole workflow work. But now I will do not do that, and I'm not modifying the policy. I will show you the error, then we will modify the policy. Currently it has the allow effect to the AWS principal with these actions, and the resource is the topic we have created and the account ID. So this account ID only have the allow permission. So we will create the topic. Now we have to create a subscription. So we will select a email as a protocol because we want to receive a email notification. If you wanted to SMS, HTTP, email, JSON, Lambda, SQS, you can select accordingly. So I will write a email that where I want to receive a email notification. So this is the email where I want to receive all the notification. So I will just create a subscription. So it will provide the confirmation email to that email that we have written. So you have to subscribe that email. So go to that email, and hopefully in spam folder we will see the subscription. So I have to confirm the subscription that I am ready to receive the notification from this. So I have confirmed that, and now if I go here and refresh this page, so we will get the confirmed status. So now the SNS part is done. Now we will go to the S3, and in properties, and I will scroll down, and here we have the event notification. Even we have the event bridge if you want to send all the message to the event bridge and perform the actions, so you can use that also. But for now we will use the event notification, and we can name it as a SNS demo SNS event. And if you wanted to provide the preface like limit the notification to object with a key string, starting with the specified character, so whatever inside the images, so accordingly it will do. And even you can use the suffix. And there are the event types on what you want to receive a notification, like whether the put object, post, copy, multiple upload completed. And I want to receive all object create events. And there is also all object removal event, means the object is deleted, then also you will receive a email notification. And if the object is restored from the deleted, then also you will receive the email notification. And so there are several trigger or the event that is going to happen inside our S3 bucket, so you can accordingly create event notification for your use case. For now I will just create for the object creation and the object removal. So now I will use the SNS topic, and I will choose the SNS topic that I have created, and I will save the changes. So it is not going to happen because, as I have explained, that the access policy concern, so they're unable to validate the following destination configuration because the S3 have not permission to publish inside the SNS topic. So SNS topic has to allow to that S3 service or anyone to publish. So for now we will go to the access policy inside our topic. So here there is only allow to this account, and we are not allowing any S3 service to do that, but we have to edit it. So we will edit it and provide that policy so that we can allow our S3 to publish event notification. So for that I will use the policy generator. You can simply search about it and go to this URL, and we have to create the SNS topic policy. And we are allowing principal. For now I am allowing everyone. And action what we want to perform is the publish. And yeah, so resource we have to provide this ARN of this topic. So we will copy this, go here, and so this is going to be our resource. We are adding the statement. You can generate the policy and just copy from this this curly braces to this, and we have copied that. And now we will go here, and inside our access policy we will edit it. And once I will go here, and there is the end of this statement, we will add the comma. You can remove that existing statement and add this only. This is going to allow everyone. The action is SNS publish and the resource on this. You can specifically allow to the S3 service also. This is a wider permission for the demo, but you have to use the list privilege principle. And I will just save the changes. So now our changes have been saved and all things have sorted. Now if I try to save the SNS event inside our S3, so it will going to save and our things going to be working. So the event notification has been created successfully. So if I scroll, and you can see there is a event notification, and there will be a test event notification has been sent to that email. If I show you in the inbox, so you can see there is a Amazon S3 notification that we have created, and the event is the test event, whether the email is reachable or not. So now if I try to upload things inside our S3 bucket, suppose I click on upload, add files, and suppose I upload the coffee.jpg. So I will upload this. Once the content is uploaded, the file is uploaded, there is a email notification has been provided to that email that we have subscribed through the SNS. So if I go back, here is the email notification for that event and received 0 minute ago. And the event source is AWS 3, region is this, and we have uploaded the coffee.jpg, and the bucket name is this. You can simply check how we are receiving the things inside the email that is happen inside our bucket. You can even create a Lambda function to trigger SQS queue to perform the any other actions. And now if I delete this object and want to receive the email notification, like someone deleted the bucket contain and you want to receive the notification, even we are going to receive the IP and the user detail. So now if I go back and see, there is the email notification, just within a second it is going to publish. And event source is AWS S3. There is a time, then there is a event name also, object removed, delete, and the user identity. You can identify who has added and deleted. There is a IP address also, and the key, we are deleted the coffee.jpg, and there's a event notification. And now you will understand what is the use case of the S3 event notification. This is very easy and you can easily set up. And I hope you understand how you can use this. You can try about the Lambda and the SQS. And if you want to delete everything, you can simply go to SNS topic, delete this topic, just click delete me, and delete the subscription also. SNS is like allow us to send messages to the several protocols like email and the SMTP and everything. Now we have to delete the object. So the object is already deleted. You can simply delete this bucket. So this is that bucket. I will do delete and copy the name, paste here, and delete the bucket. And this is how you can perform the S3 event notification using the SNS. So I hope you learned something new in this video. I will see you in the next one. Jai Hind. Bye.